Good day, everybody. It's a happy day for all of us and a special day. We've been scanning the horizon for a long time now, probably half a year, and we were looking for special companies that can join forces with us and add value to what we do in a substantial manner and shortcut our way to reaching a game-changing product and systems. So the first company that we're announcing today that is going to join us, its name is DEEPCUBE.
Hey everyone, and welcome back into the channel. We have good news on our Nndm play. They finally did it. They actually got an acquisition with a company called DEEPCUBE. Now, I wanted to play you a video that was released directly by Nano, but it has music over the top of everything, and for copyright reasons, I obviously cannot play it on my channel as it's monetized. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down everything for you in this video. So all I ask is you go down there and smash the like button for me doing this for you guys. And if you're new, welcome to this channel. My name is Jason. Be sure to hit that big red subscribe button. Nndm is one of our top plays. It's in my top 2 holdings, and I've been investing in this stock since a year ago when it was around the $1 to $2 range, and I absolutely love this company. I cover it almost every week on my channel, so be sure, if you want to stay up to date on any Nndm news, then be sure to hit that big red subscribe button. So what is the acquisition, the exciting news that Joseph Stern has announced? Well guys, the company that they have announced that they are going to be merging with is called DeepCube Learning. So they are a very, very interesting company, guys. And again, this deep learning technology, Cathie again goes on to explain how deep learning is going to be a massive industry and also data playing out in the coming years ahead. Now, this company, DeepCube, cost Nndm approximately 40 million in cash and also a 30 million in American depository shares. And this is subject to stand for a varies of up to 3 years at the closing of the transaction. So DeepCube Technologies applies numerous patented breakthroughs in algorithm to improve data analysis and deployment of advanced deep learning based artificial intelligence systems. The machine's learning applications include faster and more accurate training of deep learning models and drastically improves interference performance and real-time metrics. Its proprietary frameworks can be deployed on top of any hardware, especially fitting-edge devices and real-time applications. DeepCube's AI solutions demonstrate 10 times speed improvements and memory reduction, making it the only technology which allows effective deployment of deep learning models on edge devices for real-time applications. Now, this company has 25 employees and they are 3 to 4 years old. They are based in Tel Aviv, and no one else in the world has technology like this. This is going to allow the machines at Nndm to communicate with one another, as this artificial intelligence system acts like a brain for the machine. And if they do make a mistake, they will be able to start over and correct it. So this is an incredible software that we now have in a new acquisition with our Nndm stock. So this is some fantastic news. We do have some more acquisitions coming out, guys, very, very soon. Joseph Stern did say in the interview today that that is what is going to happen, but they are only just releasing this data right now about the AI systems with DeepCube. So this is quite exciting. What has been going on with the stock? Well, we can see that on the day we are in fact up 7 to 8%, so that's some nice moves for Nndm, but unfortunately the entire markets today have been absolutely hammered. We've got plays down over 10%, we've got Bitcoin coming down, we've got the Nasdaq down 2.5%. There's so many things happening in the market today, guys. So many plays are in the red. So unfortunately, due to the fact that we've had good news, but the fact that we are in a negative market, we didn't see that gigantic push that hopefully would have saved us out of that $7 price range and pushed us back above that $8 towards the $10. Now, I was worried that this acquisition was going to cost them a few $100 million, and again, there is a secondary acquisition, or maybe even a third, that we do know is coming. Now, these acquisitions could cost more, and again, we know that they have 1.5 million on their balance sheet, so this isn't going to be taking away even 10% of that allocated capital towards this acquisition. So that's some really good news, because it means that we still have a lot of cash to trust us over the Rona over this year until these vaccines roll out. And again, these companies can then start to really open up their business properly, and they can start to push out 3D printing, as ARC believes in the big ideas that this company is going to grow at a compounded rate of over 30 to 60% every single year, moving up to 2025. So this is very, very exciting, guys. I absolutely love this stock. As you guys know, if you did make it this far, I just want to say thank you for your support. I hope that you did enjoy this quick information today. If you did, then go down there, smash that like button for me, smash that subscribe button, and join this family of investors. We are now almost at 3.5k. So hopefully, if you're watching this, we have now hit that, and we are on our way to 4k. So guys, that wraps up this video. Stay green and stay positive, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.